Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going?
Hey, Shirley, my morning's pretty good. A little slow, but good. Laugh softly. How about you?
I'm doing all right. I woke up a bit late today, so I'm still trying to wake up. My brain is moving in slow motion.
Oh, I know that feeling. Like your body is awake, but your mind is still sleeping.
Exactly. I drank some coffee, but it's not helping yet.
Give it 10 minutes. Coffee works like magic sometimes.
I hope so. Anyway, it's good to see you.
Good to see you too. So, what are we talking about today?
I thought we could talk about something simple but interesting, our daily schedules.
Oh, nice. I love that. Everyone has a schedule, even if it's a messy one.
True. And it's great for English learners because daily schedule words are used all the time.
Yeah. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, all that fun stuff.
All right, let's start from the beginning of the day. What time do you usually wake up?
Hmm. Usually around 6:30 a.m. But I'll be honest, sometimes I hit the snooze button 3 times.
Three times? Wow. So you try to wake up at 6:30, but maybe it becomes 6:45 or 7?
Yeah, exactly. I'm not proud of it. I always say tomorrow I will wake up on time, and then tomorrow comes and nope.
It happens to all of us. What about you? What time do you wake up?
Usually around 7 a.m., but today I woke up at 7:40, which is late for me.
Oh no. Did you rush?
Not really. I didn't have anywhere important to go early in the morning, but I don't like rushing, so waking up late made me feel a little stressed. Yeah, mornings can feel stressful if they start late. So, what do you do first? Do you check your phone?
Yes, you know me too well. I always check my phone first. I know it's a bad habit.
Same here. I tell myself, don't look at your phone, Patrick. But then I look.
What do you check? Social media?
No, not really. I check my messages and weather. I need to know if it's going to rain. Rain changes everything for me.
Rain changes everything.
Yes, if it's going to rain, I need an umbrella. If it's sunny, sunglasses. If it's cold, a jacket. I'm very weather sensitive.
Weather sensitive. That's a new word.
Thank you. I made it up.
So after checking your phone, what's next?
Breakfast. I cannot start my day without breakfast. If I don't eat, I become this angry monster.
Oh, wow. What do you usually eat?
Something simple toast, eggs, maybe cereal. If I'm feeling fancy, pancakes.
Pancakes? That is fancy.
It really is. What about you? Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends how I feel.
You skip breakfast?
Sometimes, if I'm not hungry, I just drink tea.
Tea, not coffee?
I know, everyone in America drinks coffee in the morning, but I like tea more.
Hey, that's okay. Tea drinkers are welcome here.
So after breakfast, what do you do next?
I get ready for work. I take a shower, get dressed, pack my bag, then leave around 7:40 a.m.
You leave home early.
Yeah, because traffic is terrible. If I leave late, I sit in my car forever.
I hate traffic.
Same. I try to listen to music or podcasts, but still, traffic is traffic.
Do you ever get stuck for a long time?
Oh my gosh, yes. One time I sat in traffic for 1 hour and 40 minutes.
No way.
Yes, way. I listened to an entire podcast episode and I still wasn't moving.
That sounds horrible.
It was, but that's life sometimes.
My mornings are a bit calmer. I work from home. So after I wake up, I slowly make my tea, sit at my desk, and start work around 9 a.m.
That sounds peaceful.
Yeah, I like quiet mornings. They help me focus.
Do you ever work in pajamas?
Yes, sometimes I do. Don't judge me.
Hey, I'm jealous. I wish I could work in pajamas.
Around 10 a.m., I usually take a short break, maybe walk around the office, stretch my legs.
That's good. Sitting all day is not healthy.
Exactly. And I need sunlight. If I don't see sunlight, I start to feel sleepy.
You sound like a plant.
I am a plant. I need water, sunlight, and food.
Me too. We are very simple beings. What do you usually eat for lunch?
Something small, soup or salad, sometimes a sandwich. I like light lunches because heavy food makes me sleepy.
Ugh, same. If I eat a big lunch, my afternoon becomes a disaster.
What's your usual lunch?
I usually pack something from home, but sometimes I go out with coworkers. We eat tacos, burgers, or honestly, whatever looks good.
Sounds delicious and dangerous.
Very dangerous. My stomach is always like, Patrick, why?
Poor stomach. What's your afternoon like?
Busy. Lots of meetings, emails, and more meetings. I don't know why we have so many meetings. Sometimes we have a meeting just to plan another meeting.
That is so true. I've been in those too.
My brain gets tired around 3 p.m. That's when I need a snack.
Same. I always get sleepy at 3 p.m.
See? It's universal. Everyone gets sleepy at 3.
At that time, I usually get up, stretch, maybe drink water. It helps a little.
Do you ever take power naps?
No, because if I nap, I sleep too long. Then my day is ruined.
Yeah, that happens to me too. I usually finish work around 5 p.m. Then I drive home, hopefully with no traffic,
When do you get home?
around 5:45 on a good day, 6:20 on a bad day.
Wow, long day.
Yeah. What about you?
I finish around 4:30. I like ending a little earlier. It gives me time to relax before dinner.
So what do you do after work? Do you cook?
Sometimes, if I'm tired, I just make something easy, maybe pasta or a simple stir fry. But I actually enjoy cooking when I have energy.
What's your favorite dinner?
Mmm, maybe chicken with vegetables, something warm and comforting.
Sounds healthy.
And you?
I wish I could say something healthy, but honestly, sometimes I just order pizza.
Hey, nothing wrong with pizza night.
Thank you, I feel seen. After dinner, I usually watch a show. Something light, maybe a comedy.
Nice. I like watching YouTube videos or playing games to relax.
Do you read at night?
Sometimes, if I read in bed, I fall asleep in 2 minutes.
That means reading works too well for you. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11. I try to sleep earlier, but sometimes I stay up watching videos.
I do that too. Just one more video, and suddenly it's midnight.
Exactly. YouTube is dangerous.
Very.
Talking about daily schedules makes me realize something.
What?
Our days look different, but also the same. We wake up, we work, we eat, we relax. But the small moments, the funny parts, the tired parts, the peaceful parts, those make each day special.
That's true. Even a simple day can be interesting when we pay attention to it.
Yeah. And for English learners, talking about daily schedule is a great way to practice real, useful English.
I agree. So, to everyone watching, try talking about your daily schedule in English. Even simple sentences help you improve.
And remember, it's okay if your schedule is not perfect.
Yes, life doesn't need to be perfect, just real.
Exactly.
Well, this was fun.
Very fun. Thanks for chatting with me.
Thank you. And thanks to everyone watching. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.